Hey everyone, Grant here from itsyourmortgage.ca, and this is your 2-Minute Mortgage. Today, we're talking about credit unions. In the last episode, we spoke about monoline lenders and how they're a fantastic option when it comes to mortgage financing. Well, there's another option outside of the big banks: credit unions. Credit unions are similar to banks in many ways. They both have branch locations and offer various daily banking products such as checking and savings accounts, as well as investment and retirement products. The biggest difference is that credit unions aren't federally regulated. They're regulated at a provincial level. This means that when the Government of Canada introduces new mortgage rules, like a stress test on uninsured mortgages, for example, credit unions don't necessarily have to follow along. Credit unions are much more localized than the big banks and may not necessarily lend in your area. Now, while you may see this as a negative, it can actually be incredibly helpful. See, a lot of credit unions have a lend where we live mentality, and this means that even if the bank has turned you down for some weird reason, that credit union may still be willing to help you out. Some common examples of this mentality being beneficial to you as a client would be the property's location, the property type, and even some of the property's odd quirks and features. One of the potential downsides of dealing with a credit union is that you may not be able to port your mortgage if it's outside of their lending area. This means that if you have to relocate for any reason, say an employment opportunity for example, you'd actually have to break your mortgage early and pay the penalty that's associated with doing so. Credit unions are great partners for any broker to have, and the differences that set them apart from the bank might mean that they're the ideal solution for you as a borrower. So while a credit union may be a fantastic option for mortgage financing, you do need to be aware of the potential downsides and make sure they won't affect your future plans. Well, that's it for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this in the future. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.